Check this out. Look at that middle fan. It has no blade. You see it? How do you like that? So, inside of this freezer is just totally covered in frost. This isn't a new problem that happened overnight. This has been happening for a while. It seems to be getting worse. We've got a stalactite there. Big giant block of ice here. That's condensing on the line set. And all this. And all this. And all this. Snow everywhere. Look at this. So what's causing this shit? This will happen if the door is constantly open. Well, look at that. The door's open right now. Hasn't got anything to do with the defrost or the refrigerant charge. That door is closed right now. I'm gonna let this door shut and watch what happens to the door. Ah. That's pretty cool. Nice new gasket here as well. Think about this fan blade. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's impressive. I don't know where the other blades are. There's 3 missing. Oh, whatever. Good as new.